everyone, I am Liz Holloway from Liz Holloway Design, and welcome to my video. This is based on a mini album, and it's a mini album in a case, and I am working on our China trip that we had just finished traveling to. And so basically this is using the en route designer paper, and I did all my cutouts for the China trip. And so when you open it up, this actually fits right into our case, our wooden case. And when you open up, you see how it is actually embedded right into the locking case. And so when you open it up, you got various pages of albums that you can put in. So this is all done on en route paper plus the crumb cake designer or crumb cake paper, and all you have to do is just add your pictures in. And so there are many interaction pages. 3 of them are the same pages, but you just kind of do it differently. Okay, so I added pictures here, and then just added a picture here. This flips up, you can add more pictures here, and then there is a pocket inside here to add all your receipts and keep all your momentum information. Okay, so then when you flip it over, you still add your 4x6 paper or pictures, and then when you flip it over, here's waterfall pictures of all our China trip, and this is based on Beijing. And then you can write all your information here or on your little tabs here. And then I had this put in a magnet, and I added more pictures of all the food that we ate. Then when you flip this over, you have another magnet to add more pictures here and here. And then I'll probably put either a pocket or something sentimental. And then when you flip it open, you got 4x6 pages here. So you can shut this down. And another pocket here. And your pictures. So this pocket here is for all your receipts or whatever pictures that you want to add in. And then here are more 4x6. Now these headings are done through not our program, but it's a memory keeper. And what I've done was I've written all my description on the picture and then had them printed out. So here's more. And then I did another waterfall, and I'm gonna let my sister keep adding photos on here because this is gonna be her album. And again, more pockets, more 4x6, and then you can add more 4x6 here, another 4x6 here. And then when you flip it open one more time, this flips right open. And I haven't finished this area, so I'm going to finish it today, and hopefully I can get a tutorial going on an expedition. I'm going to do another one based on traveling to the zoo. So when you're done, you can just lock it right back in. And what I like about this album is that it is secured in a case, and if it gets wet, let's say you dropped coffee on it, it's going to protect it. So this is the en route designer paper, and it's a mini album in the box. I must say that I am going back to work full-time, and so this is our last episode of the Creative Circle Design team, and I wanted to do a special blog hop for this last piece. I want to thank everyone on my team for being so productive, and I just love them to death. And anyways, I'm hoping that they will show you what they have on the go for their blog hop. And this tutorial is not ready yet. I'm still building another one, but it will be coming, and I hope to get it to you soon. So thank you for joining in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. If you have any questions, I can be reached at liz.holloway@gmail.com, or visit my blog www.lizhollowaydesign.ca, and the following Facebook pages: Liz Holloway Design or the Paper Fanatics.